2007 Ford F150. I got a misfire on coil number 4. That is down here. The issue in these trucks are the hoses, and they're leaking. They coolant. So I'm going to replace the hoses. The both of them is this one and the short one, this one right here. So you see, in this case, this one is broke from there, and so now we need to remove the little. Let me see if I can remove it. There you go. Okay, so remove it. There's a clip that you need to push down with your both fingers. Just push it down and just pull this down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see right there. Okay, so just push it down and it's easy to remove the hose. So okay, right here. So now, we will replace the hoses right there. Let me see. I need to remove this one too. Oh, this one holds here, right here. So just release this here, and it's ready to go. And need to remove this hose too right here. Let's see if I can do it. That's really sorry guys, I cannot show you how. So let me see if I can remove it from down here first. Yeah, I think so. Let me see. You need to remove from those clips right here. Okay. As you can see, this is the clip that you need to remove. So just push this down like this to release the hose. Okay, push it down and just pull it. And we need to do the same thing on the other side. Pull this up. There you go. Wow, it's really hard. Whew. I almost got it, guys, but it's really hard to remove that. Okay. One more try. There you go. Okay, got it. Got it. This one right here. So we need to replace that one too. So, and then Then I need to remove the coil number 4. I'm going to replace the coil, and also I want to remove the spark plug because it got a misfire on that side where the hose was leaking. So I guess all the coolant is inside the spark plug. Then so I need to replace the spark plug and the ignition coil. So yeah guys, so it's easy to remove this one. So it goes quick connectors. Just press this down and on both sides of this small hose here, and for the long one, so just remove the quick connector from the heater cord that is right there, and remove this hose clamp from here, and just it's easy to remove. So, and you know, I'm gonna use some Motocraft spark plugs and a Motocraft ignition coil on the back. So I guess that's it. Oh, one more thing. When you replace everything, just add some coolant and let it run for like 25 minutes